welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super sick and not feeling so great about myself. Well, now I'm feeling a little better. But yeah, today I'm super sick. I considered not filming, but then I was thinking it would be a lot more impressive to make my super sick self look good. So I think I succeeded. Let me know what you guys think, and if you like this look, please continue watching. So I'm first gonna start with the NYX Professional 3-in-1 Brow Pencil, shade Espresso. So I'm gonna start with the mascara part of it. It's like a dark brown fluid. And then I'm gonna use the Morphe 215 brow brush. Okay, so once I've got my brows done, I'm gonna go ahead and clean them up with some concealer. Try to work on making them look even because it's not my day. So I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape in color Fair Beige. I like putting really light colors on my eyelids because it helps the eyeshadow show up better. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit of that on my lid. I'm gonna take this little smudge brush I have from Sephora and just go along underneath my eyebrow and kind of perfect it. So once I've got that, I'm just gonna take a beauty blender and blend it in. And then before I go to the other eye, I'm gonna actually set that with my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in Pound Cake. Next, I'm gonna go with Kylie Cosmetics eyeshadows. And I'm gonna go with this light kind of caramely brown first. I'm just using a Morphe 505 brush to blend this in right now. Okay, and next I'm gonna go with this shade that's just a little bit, not even darker, it's like a cooler tone brown. I don't know, maybe it's a little tiny darker. Alright, next I'm going to go with Parallel from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. It's just a good brown. And I'm using the Morphe 441 brush to blend that out. I'm actually going to go ahead and use the Shape Tape again to prime for a cut crease in the same Fair Beige shade. So I'm just going to put a little bit, I'm just going to put a little of that on my brush and then go ahead and put it on my eyelid. You don't I'm going to set that with this light color from the Kylie Cosmetics Shadows. Okay, so before I continue with my eyes, I'm going to prime my face. So I'm going to use the MAC Strobe Cream Hydrant. And this is in Gold Light, which is really light. So if you're tan, you probably don't want to use it. Obviously, I don't have that problem. So I want to just give myself a glow today because really not glowing today. So once I prime my face with the MAC Strobe Cream, I'm going to go ahead with MAC Studio Fix Fluid. And this is in shade NW13. Okay, so I'm just blending my foundation out everywhere. Okay, now I'm going to take Tarte Shape Tape and conceal. I'm using Light Medium Honey right now. I'm gonna go and highlight with a lighter color after this, but I need a lot of concealing right now because I'm so sick and my nose looks like roulette. So we're gonna go with this color first and we're really gonna build it on today. Cake face. Alright, so I'm gonna go back with just a little bit of this lighter color of Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going back with the Fair Beige that I was using on my eyelids just to highlight a little bit. I don't want to put a lot because I already really covered. Okay, so once you're done with that, go ahead and set your concealer. I'm using the Huda Beauty pound cake again. Okay, now I'm going to use the MAC bronzing powder in matte bronze. Gonna go ahead and bronze around my forehead, and then I'm also gonna go under my jawline here, and then I'm gonna take another brush and just contour my nose. And I like to go with a beauty blender just and blend out the contour on my nose. I just hate like really harsh, vibrant lines, but I like it to be contoured, so. Okay, next I'm gonna go under my eye, and I'm gonna use the darkest brown Parallel from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette again, and I'm using the Morphe 321 brush. It's just really small. Tap off any extra product because you really don't want the dark color to get messy. While you're doing this, if you want to go back and just make sure that your crease is your darkest area, and you can even make the line around the cut crease just a little bit more bold. Okay, so once you've got the darkest brown underneath your eye, you're going to go back with the Kylie brown and just blend these two under your eye as well and kind of blend out the darker. Right now I'm using the Morphe G13 brush. Now I'm going to highlight using Morphe 506 brush. It's like just a little tiny blending brush. And I'm going to use this shimmery white gold color from Kylie Cosmetics. I'm just going to go on the inner corner of my eye with that. Then I'm going to go right along the top. Alright, next I'm going to take the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in Gold Goddess. I'm going to take this Morphe 250S liner brush and go right along my cut crease. To just start with a little bit of product and build it up. And if you mess up, Q-tips fix pretty much everything. I'm going to set my face using the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I absolutely love how this goes on and it smells good. So, alright, and then while my face is like still a little bit wet from that, I'm going to go ahead with the Morphe 510 highlighting brush. Makeup Revolution London Strobe Lighting Palette. It's got like a pink, a kind of a gold, and a white. So I'm going with the gold color. So next I'm going to go with the Pink Pewter Collection mascara. Okay, next I'm going to take the Jante Blue 955 Spice lip liner pencil. It's just a good kind of dark nude color, and line my lips. And then I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Stripped. I've used this one before, but I just love this nude color. Okay, now I'm going to apply my lashes. They're from Vanity Lashes. These cases are so cute, and I'm doing the Hey Big Head style. Yes, bitch. Here's the finished look. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like this video. And And if you have any comments, constructive criticism, I'd love to hear them. Let me know if you want to see any in particular look that I post, or maybe another look that someone else posts you're wondering how to do and you think I could do it. I would love to do it for you. Anyways, I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. This is what I want to be doing, and I can't do it without you guys. So please keep watching my channel. So today, ooh, better close that. I'm gonna go with the Makeup Revolution. Whoa, you cannot even see that. Try not to rub off your eyebrow like I did. I knew this would happen. Oh, thank you so much for watching. Love you guys.